Rear Media app lets the front passenger control what the rear passengers are watching, all through the center display. Rear Media app is included with select Chevrolet vehicles. The app allows you to stream content from your compatible devices and select platforms to the rear screens. With Rear Media app, rear passengers can watch content from select platforms, connect HDMI devices to use each seat screen as a display, and control it all from the front seat. With Rear Media app controls in the center display, choose different content to watch on each rear screen, or sync all the rear screens to display the same content. To get started, navigate to Rear Media app on the center display. Select content and tap Share to Screen 1 or Share to Screen 2 to begin streaming the content. You can also play, pause, mute, lock, or turn the content off from this screen. While streaming to the rear screens, the front row is able to listen in on the content through the vehicle's speakers or start and stop screen mirroring to stream the same content on all the rear screens. Content can only be streamed to the rear screens. Be careful when browsing and selecting content via the center display. You should only operate Rear Media app when you are not driving. Keep the rear seat passengers entertained easily with Rear Media app on equipped vehicles.